Mostly beginners make the same mistake. They copy the design from the other designer and they call themselves a designer. Basically, they are just copycats. Now the question is how to become a creative designer. My answer is always simple. Look around yourself. This whole universe is basically a design. If you see the sky, if you see the ocean, and if you see each of the smallest details in this universe, it gives you a great message. God had an idea, and that idea was converted into a meaningful design. There is always a great idea to become a great designer. People often think that if they know how to use Adobe Photoshop, how to use Adobe Illustrator, then they can become a great designer. But remember, these are only the tools. If you have the strong idea, then you can become a creative graphic designer. Idea that communicates something, that holds the meaning, and that solves the problem and express the feelings. Real creativity starts within you. Now the question is how to become a creative designer. I have 4 points here. Number 1 is strong observation. Observe the things. Whenever you go out, see everything around you. See the signboards, see the symbols, see the colors, see the styles of the things, everything around you, just observe them wisely. Number 2 is inspire from the world around you. Whatever the design you see around you, just observe them carefully because ideas can only be generated through other designs. For example, if you see the design from the other people, then you might have another idea of the same thing. Number 3 is a unique idea can only come within you. For example, if you see something and if you add something, if you add a flavor into the original design, then your design can become unique. So always remember that whenever you see the design from the others, add some creativity from your own mind. Number 4 is the tools. If you know how to use the tools, then you can only express your ideas into a real world design. Because without knowing the tools, idea can only be the idea. It can never be converted into the real world. Don't chase the trends, chase the reality. Start today by observing more. Ask better questions from yourself or from others. Connect ideas that others overlook. Design with purpose, create with meaning, and you will never run out of creativity. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button to see more of my videos like this. Thank you.